In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to download Google Drive on your PC, whether you're trying to back up files, sync documents across devices, or ensure seamless collaboration with your team. Having Google Drive on your PC can make life a lot easier. Let's dive into it and get you started with this process, which should take about 5 minutes. First things first, head over to the Google Drive download page. You can do this by navigating in your web browser to the URL www.google.com/drive/download. This is the official download page from Google, making it the safest and most reliable source to get the software. Once you are on the download page, locate and click on the option that says Download Drive for Desktop. This action will initiate the downloading process of the installation file to your computer. Typically, the file will be named something like Google Drive setup.exe. After the download is complete, you'll need to open the file to start the installation process. You can usually find it in your computer's downloads folder or wherever your browser is set to save downloaded files. Double-click the file to run the installation. As the installation begins, you'll be guided through a series of prompts. These prompts are straightforward, so just follow along clicking Next or Install as instructed. During this phase, you'll be asked to agree to Google's terms and conditions for using the software. Once the installation is complete, the Google Drive application will prompt you to sign in with your Google account. This step is essential because it connects the files on your PC with your Google Drive account online, allowing the features of syncing and backing up to operate efficiently. If you don't have a Google account, you'll need to create one to proceed. After signing in, Google Drive will automatically integrate with your File Explorer. You'll notice a new Google Drive folder appearing just like any other folder. This integration makes it convenient to access your files directly from your desktop. Now that Google Drive is set up on your PC, you have the option to choose which folders from your drive you'd like to sync to your computer. Additionally, you can specify which folders from your PC you want to back up to Google Drive. These features are incredibly useful for ensuring that all your important files are automatically synchronized and safely stored in the cloud. And there you have it, you've successfully downloaded and set up Google Drive on your PC. This tool is a fantastic way to keep your files accessible and secure no matter where you are. I hope you found this guide helpful, and thanks for watching.